Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video guys. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na guys sa aking munting channel. Ito nga pala, may share ko sa inyo na coins na rare guys. Ito, 1946 na Liberty 5 cents. Yan siya guys, In God We Trust. In God We Trust, Liberty. Ayan, ito yung kanyang taon. Focus yung camera natin. Ito guys, 1946. Ayan, ayan siya guys, 1946 na Liberty. Ayan, rare na to guys. Si Jefferson. Ayan, Jefferson siya guys na Liberty 1946. Ayan, In God We Trust guys. Ayan, 1946. Ayan, rare na to guys. Ayan, maganda pang collection din to guys kasi ito is matanda na, 1946. Ito yung kanyang likod guys. Ayan, Monticello. Ayan, Monticello guys. Focus. Tapo yung camera natin talaga guys. Pasensya na kayo sa aking camera. At luma na ang aking cellphone. Ayan, 5 cents. Monticello guys. Ayan, United States of America. Ayan ang kanyang likod. Ayan guys ang kanyang likod. Ito yung kanyang harap. Ayan, ayan siya guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo mabuti guys. In God We Trust, Liberty 1946 guys. Ito, may edad na to, mga lampas na 60 to, higit. Ayan, matanda na rin siya. Rare coin na siya guys, rare coin. Ayan, In God We Trust guys na Jefferson Liberty 1946. Ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Keep on watching and enjoy.